When your Sunbeam electric blanket isn't heating, start with the basics. First, check that your blanket is properly plugged into a working electrical outlet. Next, inspect the controller. Check if it lights up and is set to the desired heat level. Many issues can be resolved by performing a simple reset procedure. Examine the cord and wiring carefully for any visible damage. Look for fraying, cuts, burns, or exposed wires. Any visible damage is a safety concern and may prevent proper heating. Secure all connections between the control unit, blanket, and power cord. Clean the contacts gently with a dry cloth to ensure good electrical connection. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, it may be time to replace your electric blanket, especially if it's over 10 years old or shows signs of significant wear. Safety is the top priority when dealing with electric blanket issues. These fundamental safety rules must always be followed to prevent injury or fire hazards. Several warning signs indicate when an electric blanket may be unsafe to use. These visual and sensory cues help identify potential hazards before they become dangerous. Specific diagnostic indicators help pinpoint the exact nature of electric blanket problems. Understanding these signs enables more targeted troubleshooting. Electrical faults in electric blankets pose serious safety risks. These indicators signal immediate danger and require the blanket to be disconnected and replaced. Knowing when to replace rather than repair an electric blanket is crucial for safety. Modern electric blankets incorporate advanced safety technologies that make replacement often the better choice. Remember, electric blanket safety is not worth compromising. When in doubt, prioritize your safety and replace the blanket rather than risk potential hazards.